Hello everyone! So this is Edmond. Mindaros Channel, isang content creator at gumagawa ng mga tutorials katulad ng PC, laptop troubleshootings, mobile device troubleshootings at marami pang ibang klaseng tutorials na sinishare ko dito sa aking channel. At kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, so please huwag mong kakalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe. I-click mo na rin yung bell notifications para ma-update ka sa aking mga bagong videos and tutorials. So sa video nito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to transfer Connect to Card apps to a new device. So since nag-upgrade na sila ng kanilang mobile bankings app, so kailangan na natin i-transfer ang ating previous Connect to Card apps sa isang device kung saan naka-insert doon yung ating mobile number na registered sa ating Connect to Card account. Ayan, so kailangan na kasi kung saan nandun yung ating mobile number na registered, nandun din dapat yung ating Connect to Card apps. So sa mga bago lang, so ano ba yung tinatawag na Connect to Card? So isa itong mobile banking applications ng MRI or yung tinatawag na card bank. So pwede tayo dito maka-avail or maka-access na kanilang iba't ibang klase ng financial transactions katulad ng checking balance, transferring ng funds, paying bills, loans, at e-load services ng ating mobile phones. So pwede rin tayo ditong mag-cash in or cash out sa ating savings dito. Kaya kahit nasa bahay ka lang ay pwede po yan. So since magto 2 years na rin tayo na member dito sa Connect to Card apps, napakaganda talaga itong klase ng microfinance institution. So marami po silang klase ng insurance and then yung pwede natin ma-avail dito talaga. So dito na sa apps na to, so dito natin makikita lahat yung ating transactions kapag may loans ka, kapag may mga savings ka dito, ayan, so pwede ka rin dito mag-savings, mag-cash in or cash out, mag-loans, lahat. Marami pong klase sila ng services dito na pwede nating ma-avail kapag ikaw ay member na ng Connect to Card, mga kaibigan. Kaya kung hindi mo pa kabisado kung paano natin i-transfer itong Connect to Card app sa isang device, ang video ito ay makakatulong sa iyo as your guide. Kaya wag na nating patagalin at start na natin. So ang next step ay kailangan muna nating i-download yung ating Connect to Card apps. So punta ka lang dito sa Google Play Store and then i-search mo lang dito yung Connect to Card. So dito sa searching address bar, i-click mo lang and then type mo lang dito yung Connect to Card. Ayan. So makita mo na dito yung iba't ibang klase ng Connect to Card. So una, i-download muna natin dito yung previous or yung pinaka-old na Connect to Card. So makikita mo lang dito sa pinakauna ito yung Card Bank Connect to Card na mayroon po siyang 4.2 na rating. So i-click mo lang and then install lang natin ito. Okay? So once na-install na natin itong previous na Connect to Card and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung while using the app. And then again, allow Connect to Card to make and manage phone calls. So, i-click mo lang dito yung allow. Okay? So, ito yung old versions ng Connect to Card app. So, kailangan na natin itong i-update yung kanyang versions. So, itap mo lang dito yung update now. And then, madadirect na tayo dito sa bagong upgrade system nila ng Connect to Card. So, makita mo na dito, ito yung bago nating i-install sa ating device. Okay, so Connect to Card, makita mo dito yung yellow na background and then green yung kanyang logo. So, i-click mo lang dito yung install. Okay, so once na-install mo na dito yung kanilang bagong upgrade versions, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then, dito sa baba ay may option dito na allow Connect to Card to send new notifications. So, may option dito kung gusto mong allow or don't allow. And then, i-select mo lang dito yung allow. And then again, itap mo lang dito yung next. And again, tap dito yung next. Okay, so again, next. And then next. Okay, and then last, next. Alright, so next step ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung get started. And then dito naman, so may option dito kung gusto mong while using the app, only this time or don't allow, i-select mo lang dito yung while using the app. And then dito ay kailangan na natin mag-login. So since may account na tayo dito sa Connect to Card, so kailangan mo lang i-login dito yung account. Kung wala naman, i-click mo lang dito yung create an account and then kailangan mo makipag-coordinate sa card bank or sa coordinator ng Connect to Card para ma-access ka sa applications. Okay, so ang next, click mo lang dito yung login. Ayan. So, dito sa login ay kailangan natin i-enter dito yung ating username and then yung ating password. So, dito sa box, click mo lang and then enter lang natin dito yung ating username. So once na-enter mo na dito yung username and then next, ito naman yung ating password. So i-click mo lang yung box, enter lang natin. Okay, so make sure na tama yung username and then password mo para iwas error. Kapag nailagay mo na yan yung username and then password, i-click mo lang dito yung login. Okay, so your account has been successfully logged in. So we will now activate your device by generating secure code. Click proceed to open your SMS app and send the generated long code to connect to card. So dito yung mobile number kung saan natin isi-send yung code para ma-activate. I-tap mo lang dito yung proceed. And then next, please make sure the SIM card registered to your bank account is inserted in this device. Tap mo lang dito yung proceed. Ayan. So itong code na to ay kailangan natin i-send dyan. And then back lang tayo doon sa app. Okay, so activations, do not close or switch apps. Please wait while SIM authentication is in progress. So wait lang natin na ma-complete yung kanyang activations. Ayan. So, let's create your MPIN. So, you need to this for connect to card transaction. So, kailangan na natin mag-set up dito yung ating MPIN. So, ang next, itap mo lang dito yung set up MPIN. And then, please create a new 6-digit MPIN code. So, kailangan natin mag-create dito ng bago nating MPIN. Okay, so please retype the 6-digit MPIN. Okay, so wait natin. Ayan. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na congratulations, you have successfully registered your username, password, and then MPIN to your Connect to Card mobile app. So, itap mo lang dito yung login now. So, login lang tayo. And then, enter lang natin dito yung ating username. And then, make sure na tama lahat yung username and the password. Itap mo lang dito yung login. Okay, so makikita mo na dito yung kanyang congratulations. You are now logged in to Connect to Card mobile app. Explore and experience seamless banking on the go. So, cross lang natin yan. So, pwede na natin ito. Okay, so dito naman may mag-pop up kung gusto mong enable yung biometric login for easier access. So, itap mo lang dito yung yes para ma-enable na natin yung ating biometric login. And then, biometrics lalagin and then may mga informations dito na kailangan natin basahin bago tayo mag-proceed. So, itap mo lang dito yung activate. Okay, tap activate. And then, i-register na lang natin yung ating fingerprint kung saan banda dyan. So, tap lang natin dito for sa authentications required. Tap mo lang dito sa screen. And then, activate your biometrics by entering your 6-digit MPIN. Kailangan natin enter yung ating 6-digit MPIN code. Okay, so biometrics login activated. And then click mo lang dito yung done. Ayan, so dito na mga kaibigan ang bagong upgrade versions or bagong upgrade apps ng Connect to Card. So nandito na mas pinaganda ngayon, mas inayos nila yung kanilang system. Okay, so dito mga kaibigan, makikita mo na dito yung laman ng ating savings account or yung laman ng ating card na Connect to Card. So nandito na yung ating pledge balance. So makikita mo na dito, pwede mo na itong explore. So click mo lang dito yung savings, insurance, loans, cash out, yung fund transfer, bills payment, buy load, sulit padala. So nandito na lahat mga kaibigan, mas pinaganda ngayon, mas pina-upgrade nila. So pwede ka rin ditong mag-cash in mga kaibigan. Ayan, so okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-transfer yung ating Connect to Card sa bagong device and then with sa registered sa ating mobile number, dapat kung nandun yung SIM card natin, dun din yung ating apps mga kaibigan. Alright, in hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa Connect to Card tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.